Hi everybody, my name is Lisa. Welcome to the House of Jane. Today I am unboxing the Kinder Beauty box. I have 5 videos in my collection down below where I unboxed 5 other beauty boxes by Kinder because I had a 6-month subscription. I haven't done an unboxing in a very long time for them because I just kept skipping the months. Kinder is a skincare and beauty, all natural, vegan beauty box for people who want to put only all natural things on their face or in their body. And they have 2 boxes that they showcase each month. You do not have a choice, unfortunately, which box you get. Some of the products are similar. So let me go through what I received. Like I said, this is my last box. The subscription was a very good subscription. I will leave the details down below on what you would pay for it. If you just sign up for one box is $26. But then they have different tiers of pricing. If you sign up for 3 months, it's $24 a box, and 6 months it was $23 a box. What I recommend is going to their website and putting in your email and waiting for them to send you specials, because the special I got when I signed up for 6 months averaged out to like $19 a box. So I thought the value was very, very, very good. So wait for their sales. The first item in this box, by the way, I got what's called the Shine box. And there was another box, I believe it was called Glow or something. Like I said, the items are slightly different. They just got a different serum in their box. I got the serum by Botanica. It is 1 ounce, $56 for this serum. It is a serene serum. It has vitamin C, E, argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, stuff like that. It's actually green, so how appropriate for St. Patty's Day. Haven't tried it yet. Smells pleasant enough, a little minty. You just put it on your skin. You can put it on plain or rub it in with your moisturizer. $56 is very expensive. I normally would never pay that for a serum. Hopefully it works really good. The second item is a cream moisturizer, and I think the other box had the same one. It's by Willing Beauty, and this little thing, which is not, oh, it is a 1 fluid ounce. It is $24, quite expensive. It's just a regular all-day moisturizer. Then we also got something by Derma E Essentials. It's a Microdermabrasion Scrub. This they call a deluxe size, and this is worth $5. That seems to me a lot more reasonable pricing, and that's what it looks like. No smell to it whatsoever. Then we received something by J&L Naturals. This packaging is really nice. This is a face mask at $19.99. I'm going to undo the sticker and I will show it. I don't know if I'm going to actually keep this. I do a lot of giveaways on my channel. I actually have a giveaway going on right now. If you want to enter, giveaway ends on Sunday. But this is a face mask. Comes in a little biodegradable, this is cardboard, little package with a little scoop. And it says you mix the scoop with a little bit of water, you apply to your face. It's like a mud mask. You rinse off after 10 to 20 minutes. So will I try this? I don't know. I might give this away in a future giveaway. And then the last item is, they changed this last minute. We weren't supposed to get this. We were supposed to get like an eyeshadow, but instead they sent to us a cream blush, which, you know, blushes cream products you could use on your lips, obviously your cheeks, your eyelids if you wanted to. It's cruelty-free and vegan in the color Fame. It's a $32, wow, for this cream blush. It's a nice color. I don't know if that's gonna look good on me, and I am not gonna swatch it because again, I will probably put this in a future giveaway. So did I enjoy the 6 months with Kinder Beauty? Yes, I did, but it was time to move on. I have to admit, I just have too many facial products to go through, too many, you know, skincare products. I can't tell you how many oils I have. So yeah, if you're looking for vegan, all natural, what are some of the other buzzwords? 100% organic. I think they fill the bill for these products that they put in the monthly subscription box. I do not like that you can't choose the box that you'll receive, because you do get like a month in advance. They send you an email and you can see what the release is for the next month. That's why I was skipping so many months, because I didn't really like the releases. So you don't get the choice. But I will leave down below all the details if you want to sign up for Kinder. I might sign up for it in the future. You never know. I thought for the value that I spent, like $19 and change for each box, it was definitely there. So definitely wait for a sale. And I want to show you, isn't this cute? This company called Wishes and Kisses, they sent me 5 hair clips. I'm wearing one of them. I'll leave the link below. I don't make anything from it, but all 5 hair clips was only $8 on their website. They sent me this so I can show you guys. They have some jewelry items, hair clips, some necklaces, some earrings. They specialize in hair accessories though. And I thought it was really cute. So I said I would show them on my video. Wishes and Kisses. Anyway guys, give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, give me a subscribe. I would love that so much. My subscriber count is growing thanks to you guys. I really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day all. Bye.